Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Nutramax Denamarin tablets for cats and dogs. Both dogs were immediately placed on an extremely low-carbohydrate diet upon diagnosis, a non-aggressive chemo regime, and three main supplements: CAS options, Nutramax, Denamarin tabs, and Recancustat. Dogs that could barely walk were bouncing around. Dogs that could not climb stairs were bounding up 2 steps at a time. My cat was scheduled to be spayed, but her blood test numbers for her liver was high, so the vet suggested trying to lower than having any complication risks. She was on other medication, but the veterinarian felt strongly that the Denamarin treatment had added significantly to her survival time. My other kitty's liver disease is much less severe, but it had contributed to major gastrointestinal issues in the past. The cost of this drug adds up after a while, but to me it is definitely worth it for the health of my kitties. Early on, her liver wasn't functioning as well as it needed to be, so the oncologist put her on this. Although you can buy medications that are one or the other, both my local vet and my oncologist prefer this one. Within about 2 to 3 days after taking this supplement, Goose acted like he had much more energy and was much more bouncy, and Goose has taken this ever since. Be sure to read the directions carefully. It really does make a difference to give on an empty stomach 1 hour before feeding. On May 5, 2014, her alt level liver was 1453, and today 10/14/14 her alt level was 147, which is within the normal range. Worst case scenario would be that she might have to remain on Nutramax Denamarin tablets if her alt level goes back up. You are supposed to give this medication to your dog on an empty stomach for better absorption, but my dog has a very sensitive stomach. This stuff is amazing and would have been credited with saving her life had it not been for the unstoppable and irreversible nature of renal failure. If your 34-pound baby has liver disease, Denamarin can be the $1 a day for life magic bullet you need. After 1 month of Denamarin, in addition to dietary changes, he gained more than his former weight back and is a happy, active chihuahua. It does say to give to your pet at least 1 hour prior to a meal, and best if give after fasting overnight. At the end of the course, her liver enzymes have returned to normal and she was back to her normal perky self. She is so worth it, but it was nice to be able to purchase this without having to go through a pharmacy and a prescription and high dollar prices. Not sure how it's working for my dog's liver yet, but it's much cheaper here than at my vet. It can lower the alt dramatically in dogs who have had some type of liver reaction, vaccines, idiopathic, etc. Geez, after 2-3 months on this supplement, my beautiful aging Boston Terrier's liver enzymes showed up almost perfect when blood work was done. As with any supplement or medication, my advice is check with your vet to ensure this should be given to your pet. They have good expiration dates on the boxes, and the medication is in the same box from the same manufacturer in the same dosage as prescribed by the vet. It helped my elderly dog who suffers from liver problems to continue his life with more vigor and interest in his food. Denamarin contains same, which is an antioxidant that helps protect liver cells from cell death and may help cell repair and regeneration. On her second day on the meds, there was a marked improvement in her eating and drinking, and well as her energy levels. This helps with elevated liver enzymes and helps them not end up with pancreatitis attacks while that and low-fat meals. Has been on this med for almost 2 months and liver enzymes are now in the normal range, and he was able to stop medication. Nutramax Denamarin was prescribed along with a hepatic food diet, and my adorable dog has been brought back from the brink of death. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.